Rocket Pat here. All right, guys, we're back again, and this time what we're going to do is we are going to be pulling from the bottom of the fender over here due to the fact that it's got a twist in it down this way, and it's also got my core support twisted a little bit over here, causing a little bit of twist over here. So we got hooked up. I keep pointing over here because I'm actually pointing at the truck instead of you. Here we go. We're going to take those easy puller, and we're going to pull this direction, see what happens. All right, dude, start tightening it up. Go with them. Go slow.
That up for a minute, let it settle a little bit. You can't use the big sledge on the top there?
On here?
Yeah, maybe get that.
Yeah, but I don't want to fold it. Right now I think it'll fold. I can give it a little bit of a hit, but...
That's flat. That's great.
I was kind of wanting to reposition anyway.
Check the door right now.
The door's got plenty of clearance. No, still rubbing.
That's just because the bow in there.
Yeah, because this bow and it's bow back there too. Just gotta keep pulling her a little bit, man. She'll come. Give me a pinch between the cheek and gum, buddy. You're on pulled out there. All right, slow down. A little bit more. Hold it. It sure would be nice if I could get to the inside. All right, give it just a hair more pull. A little bit more. A little more. A little bit more. A little bit more. Woohoo! There you go. All right, guys, we're going to keep grinding on her, and I'll get back to you when we got a little bit more work done on this bad boy. Talk to y'all next time. Y'all keep rocking and rolling and rolling and rocking, and I'm going to keep grinding it down.